You were the laughter early in the morning, down in the kitchen watching TV. Now it's been so long since I've heard you sing. I looked up to you, brother, even when you lost your way. In the madness of New York City, oh, you found her, and now I know there's hope for me. Told me the story of how you met each other, Manhattan for coffee.
Today is New Year's Eve, so it's the 31st of December 2020, and it's crazy. It's like we're leaving this very long and very interesting, complicated and horrific year, and we're going into 2021 tomorrow, and I really just wanted to clear my mental space and to clear my physical space. So what I've been doing is that I changed the bed sheets, I vacuumed the apartment, I have unpacked because I came back from Gothenburg yesterday, and I really want to set up my bullet journal and like plan my January so I can like get a kickstart on it, because I just want to get it started as soon as possible, but without stress, without any sense of urgency, just in an excited type of way. So I reserved different colored leuchtturms because I have no idea which color I want. This is the one I've gotten now. I think it's really cute. It's like a sky blue. It's called Nordic blue, and of course it's the dotted version because it's the one I use every single time. My previous one was like this color, which I think is a bit boring, to be honest. It's like sand beige. I don't really know what to call this, but I really didn't want to get like a basic color for this year. I wanted to get like a colorful one that reminds me of something in nature, and this one kind of reminds me of the sky. It does look darker on video now. It's actually lighter in real life, but if you're wondering, this one's called Nordic blue. I was supposed to go to work today, but then I woke up and felt the slightest bit sick, and I was like, is it really a good idea to go to work right now? I don't think I have corona because I had it 2 months ago, so I'm not worried about that. I'm just more worried about what other people might think, because you can technically get corona more than once. So I just want to read you my to-do list. So unpack is one of them, which I have done. I actually applied for an apartment that I found near the city that's really pretty. Some other things on my list are to vacuum, which I've done, change the bed sheets. I need to go and get a package from the Innate Life, which I'm so excited about because I've actually ordered the Innate Life, what is it called? Miracle oil or something, and a scalp treatment. Then I have to decide whether I'm keeping this blue one or I'm changing it to like a sage type of green. I really want to start 2021 on a good note. I need to water my plants, which is something I can do very quickly now actually. I was supposed to just go to my friend's place, and we were supposed to celebrate New Year's there, but I don't know what to do now, because technically I'm not that sick, as you hear. It's just like I have like some phlegm in my throat, and you know, but I'm trying not to stress about it because I really don't want to start the year on a sore note. Yep. Like on top of my head, like in like preconceived notions about how those guys would be in a relationship, probably, right?
In my world, I don't worry, darling. I just smile, 'cause you're by my...
I had like a mental breakdown, so I went to the store and I was like, I'm just gonna buy all the vegetables and all the fruit and make like a fruit salad and pretend that I'm somewhere tropical, because that always makes me feel better. And I was thinking like, what would I eat if I was like in a tropical place? And I saw this pineapple and it was like on sale. I bought a cider, which is alcohol free actually. Just something that I can open with the opener to, you know, make it seem like it's a bit more fancy. I guess I've never celebrated New Year's Eve alone, and it's weird to think that I've always made it such an important time of life, sort of, like of the year, to kind of, I guess, celebrate the year that's been and the year that's coming, and I think that it is a beautiful thing. All it is just a date on a calendar, European calendar, the one that we use. I mean, there's so many different New Years, right? There's the Chinese New Year, the Indian New Year, Mayan New Year. Why are we so confined in our way of thinking about this New Year as the beginning of something? I guess like what I'm trying to say is we can start our goals whenever. It doesn't really have to be the 1st of January. And I guess all day I was trying to jot down my goals, and I was like feeling too stressed out about it because they weren't very clear at first, and I was like beating myself up about it because I was like, why haven't I thought about this earlier? Why is it already 1st of January tomorrow? And then also feeling like I didn't have a plan. I had a plan today to meet my friends, and now I'm not seeing them, and pandemic times.
Ooh, it's a pandemic!
And we have to take precaution. But yeah, I don't know, I don't like the idea of starting the new year alone, you know, starting it on your own.
But I was sneaking out and I was sneaking in, back into your room again. Oh honey, please, can't you see what I see? This is the way it should be, yeah. This is the way it should be.
So for those of you who don't know me that well, I always default back to Desperate Housewives whenever I don't have a TV show to watch currently, or the one that I watched has just ended. And I have watched Desperate Housewives for like a billion times, but I think I like to watch it because it's like, it feels safe, it feels comforting, it always makes me laugh. Basically, it acts like the boyfriend that I don't have, and that's what I always like to watch when I'm eating. Usually, it's like my time to just relax, so I'm gonna do that now. I just wanted to kind of create this cozy space to the beginning of the new year. Just want to feel really good about myself, so I'm just gonna put the blanket over me. I'm going to turn on some meditation music, flute music, and I'm going to write down a gratitude list. I'm gonna write some positive affirmations, and I actually have a digital vision board on my screen over there, so I'm gonna look at that. And then I'm gonna start meditating for about 10 minutes. It's been a day, man. It's been a really weird day for me. But I'm really hoping to turn it around by doing all these acts of self-care and really just immersing myself into the world that I want to live in and the person that I want to become in 2021. Show you quickly a little bit of my gratitude journal, because I just wanted to show you that there's always so many things to be grateful for, like even the smallest things. Like I even wrote down like I'm thankful or I'm grateful for this blanket that I'm sitting on, you know. Like I actually wrote down things I'm grateful for 2020, and then I thanked the universe for ... and then I just wrote like my room in Stockholm, being healthy and alive, you know, never having suffered any severe health problems, and actually ended up writing 51 things to be grateful for, so that's a really good start. Invited, but then I said to them that I had like a sore throat in the morning, and then they were like freaking out and being like, no, like I just remember that there's a lot of people there, and like I don't know how people are gonna react. And I was like, okay. Happy New Year! It's gonna be 2021 in Sweden in 1 minute. 1 minute. I can hear the fireworks. I can't see them, but they're out there. It's just weird for me to be in my like sweats on New Year's Eve. It's so weird, but life.